Hello, it's me. Cardi B song stuck in my head. Today we're going to be cooking together once again. I don't even like cooking, to be honest with you. But I like eating, and if you like eating, you have to like cooking. That is literally common sense. People keep telling me not to use my brain doesn't know it is what it is, okay? There are so many things on my body right now that could give me cancer. Leave me alone. We have ኤዲትል ፌስታል ልጣጫችንን ለመጣል This is episode 2 and በሚያሳዝናችሁ ሁኔታ ገና በአንድ episode I've offended my dearest and closest friend who is a man. I know, we're all shocked. What? I told you I have guy friends. That is why I care so much about men. Anyway, so he lives in the UK, right? And he watches my videos. And you know, የሚያሳዝነው የሱ view counts way more than ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለ ሰው የሚያየው. And I can't lose him. I can't lose his views, pretty much. Or the friendship. Anyway, so last time on Food with Sasu, I said when push comes to shove, women will learn how to cook, right? When they get married, when they have kids, they'll learn how to cook. And he said, why would you say that? Because I'm a man, and when push came to shove, I learned how to cook, right? And he sent me pictures. I know that he does. And I wasn't saying, I'm not saying that it wasn't meant to be offensive to anybody. You know what I mean? If you're a man and you can cook, that's amazing. Very, 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 very cool. Very sexy. Seriously, I love when a man is like, oh, I can cook. I'm like, hello. How are you? But the thing about it is, I'm just talking about the majority of situations. Allah. I'm not trying to discredit his effort. So he wanted a public apology. That's my public apology. I've been sent some pictures of the dishes that he's made. I will put them here, everywhere on the screen. And I'm sorry that I was talking about the rule and not the exception. Okay? That's my bad. I know this doesn't sound like an apology, but it's the best I can do. I don't like to apologize. So does that make me like a problematic man? I don't know. Yeah. I don't want it to come across as me being a man hater, because I'm not. I love men. Yonatin, I truly do love men. I feel like they make amazing friends. They can make amazing partners. It is, they know, they have the qualities, of goodness. You know what I mean? But I feel like a part of it is አስተዳደጋችን. Again, this is not about you. I know you're watching. Leave me alone. Let me talk shit. I feel like we don't raise men or our boys, our sons, the way that we should. Allah, because ምንድን ነው የሚገጥማቸው? በጣም የባሰ ቢመጣ አይነት ነገር ነው. He'll be a bum and መንገድ ጥግ ይቀመጣል. እንደዛ እንዳይሆን ደግሞ የማራል ምናምን አይነት ነገር. But like, there's so much more to being a well-rounded, good person than just not being the worst person ever. Allah. And this is probably going to offend some of my friends who have sons. I don't mean for it to be offensive. ለእነሱም ቢሆን ምላቸውን ነገር ነው ለእናንተ ምላችሁ. But whenever we talk, and whenever this is not about anybody specifically, but when you talk to boy moms or mothers of sons, or anybody who has a son, ወንድ ልጅ ኖሮ ሴት ልጅም ያለው ሊሆን ይችላል. But like, whenever you talk to somebody who has a son, there's always a reason why they can't. እንዴት ነው? Not everybody. Some people. They're like, oh, እኔ እኮ የፈለገ ልጄን መልካም እንዲሆን አድርጌ ባሳድገው ተንጫጫን እኔና መክተፊያው እኔ የፈለገ መልካም እንዲሆን አድርጌ ባሳድገው ውጭ ላይ ሲወጣ የሚያየውና የሚማረው ነገር is not going to be positive አይነት አስተያየቶች እና ጭምጭምታዎች ይሰማሉ። but the thing is ውጭ ላይ ሴት ልጃችን ስትወጣ የምትሰማው ነገር እኔ ከማስተምራት ነገር የተለየ ነው ብለን ስለምናስብ my phone memory space full ብሎ አቋረጠኝ so I don't even know ምን እያወራሁ እንደነበረ but I was just saying ሴት ልጆቻችን ውጭ ሲወጡ የሚማሩት ነገር ሌላ ይሆናልና እኔ ያለም ከራት እኔ ልቀርጻትና መሆን ያለባትን ነገር ለማስተማር ለሞከር አንልም ፖዚቲቭ ነገር ራሱ እኮ ላይሆን ይችላል you know what I mean like በድሮ ጊዜ ተወልደው ማግባትና ልጅ መውለድ ብቻ ነው የህይወታችሁ እቅድና ዓላማ የሚለውን ነገር they did teach them you know what I mean so like as a society we can change the narrative we can change what we teach boys because I don't know sometimes I feel bad ለነሱም they have to live with this የሆነ ridiculous የሆነ idea of what a man is supposed to be like ተጣማችኋል መሰለኝ ብለናል አይኔን አቃጠለኝ sorry and that's not fair you know what I mean cry boys shouldn't cry they can cry that's why they have tear ducts boys shouldn't do this boys shouldn't do that boys shouldn't say this boys shouldn't wear that ምናምን of course to an extent Allah I don't want to see them wearing some stuff too but like yeah it's just not fair and I don't know where I was going with this but yeah that was my apology let's care about our sons ዝም ብለን ወልደናቸው ጫካ ውስጥ እንደሚያድጉ እንስሳት ሆነው ማደግ አያስፈልጋቸውም አላ ማብላት ማጠጣት ማልበስ ወንድ ስለሆነ በቂ ነው ማለት አይደለም there are other things you want your son to be a leader you want him to be the man of the house there are things that you need to teach him it's not like ከናቱ ሆድ ሲወጣ ወንድነትን ይዞ አይደለም የሚወጣው you know what I mean so like I feel like in Diom it is a more responsibility to raise boys than it is to raise girls because ሴትን ልጅ ያለፈችበት በሄደችበት ወጣችበት በደረሰችበት ሁሉ ከፍ የሚላት ብዙ ነው ምንም ችግር የለውም like ሊመክራት ሊቀርጻት ሊያስተካክላት የሚሞክር ብዙ ነው ያለው but when it comes to boys I feel like we just don't care about them and we should care about them yeah anywho this ዛሬ ምንድነው ምግብ የምንሰራው why do you always talk shit about this was not me talking shit by the way if you take it and something's wrong with you yeah today we're making eggs for breakfast very exciting omelette no ብላችሁ ውሸት ይሆንብኛል because I can't make an omelette to save my damn life መጥበሻዬ ሁን ችግሩ እኔ ልሁን ችግሯ አናቅ ችግሩ ምን እንደሆነ የሚያውቀው መድኃኒዓለም ብቻ ነው ጥፍሬ አዲስ ተሰርቶ ረዘም ያለ ነው so you know ብዙ አይመቸኝም ለመክተፍ እስከለምደው ድረስ so don't judge me don't beg me please stay I love that sound so yeah we're making scrambled eggs most likely scrambled eggs yeah I want to get some cheese and add them to my scrambled eggs ዳቦ ሳልገዛ ማለት ነው ይሄንን ብቻውን መብላት እንዴት አይነት አሳዛኝ ነገር እየሆነብኝ እንደሆነ ማመን ነው የሚያቅታችሁ like it's breaking my literal heart I am so sad but we're trying to stay healthy and carbs are not good for you well not carbs are not good for you I guess it depends there are good carbs or some shit like that so I don't think inten is a good carb and እንዴትም አድርገን twist ብናረገው I don't think ሁለት እንቁላል I don't think አምጡልኝ someone ዳቦ ጥሩ ካርብ ይሆናል ብሎ ራስን ማሳመን የሚቻል አይመስለኝም የፈለገ በሞክርና በፈልግ yeah so we're just gonna eat some eggs ብቻቸውን look into the future and visualize health and wellness and a sexy butt because at the end of the day it's about having a sexy butt የሚያሳዝናችሁ I wash my hands I think a lot እንዲያውም ዛሬ ከዝም ብሎ በተከታታይ ሲሆን የከተፍኩት I didn't but oh my god you guys the way I'm struggling so hard because memory space full እያለኝ እንደው ካሜራ ገዛለሁ ብዬ ነው እንጂ ትላላችሁ 1 ቴራባይት ገዝቼ እርፍ ብል ደስ ይለኝ ነበር but like maybe too much salt we'll see anyways I add food coloring because ነጭ እንቁላል sucks and yeah እንቁላል ድሮ ጣፍጦኝ እንደምበላው አሁን ጣፍጦኝ በልቼው አላውቅም አልዋሻችሁም it never tastes as good as it should it tastes literally like nothing but you know I still like eggs okay ስናበስለው ደግሞ ተመልሰን እንገናኛለን እስከዛ ቸርን ጠብቅ or ቸርን ቆይ or whatever they say በእውነቱ ከሆነ ማለት ነው ምንም የምናየው ነገር የለውም እንቁላል ሲሰራ አይታችሁ ታውቃላችሁ but we are doing whatever the hell we want ደግሞ በገዛ ቻናሌ ማን ነው የሚከለክለኝ I like eggs see እንቁላል ይመስላል አሁን it's not like that ugly in color የሚጣፍጥ እንቁላል የበላሁት ማለት ነው the last time I think ደሴ ያለው ነው የሆነች ልጅ ነበረች ነጭ ሆኖ ውጩ ማለት ነው ወዝውዤ ገደልኳችሁ ውስጡ ነጭ ሆኖ እንትኑ ውስጡ ቢጫ ነውና I think that might have been the last time I had good eggs I don't know what I've been told this might be too much too many timatims and too much ቃሪያና ሽንኩርት but hopefully it tastes good if you want to make fluffy eggs ማለት ነው add milk in them is there milk in this no ወተት የለኝም I may or may not be lactose intolerant if I am we will never talk about it because I refuse to live in fear obviously ዘይት መቼም ዘይት ይደረጋል እንደሚል ሰው የለም በዚህ ዘመን ቀደም ይልቅ ሳልጨርስላችሁ yeah I want to buy the 600 ብር ነው anyways oh my god ትልቁ ሶፍት for now I'm using this like a little brokey but I want to use I hate cleaning the stove that's why it looks like that please don't judge me or judge away you think I care I don't care only God can judge me ጋለ ገና ነው ትንሽ ይቀርዋል wow my hands are big yeah very interesting okay hopefully actually ግሏል በጣም እንዲያውም በጣም too much ጋለ here we go ይሄ ሳህን ማለት ነው ያደኩበት ነው ሀብቴና ንብረቴ ነህ የልጅነቴ መቼ ማረሳህም እስከ ለተሞቴ የሚለው ዘፈን I can sing for this እንትን okay see I'm not gonna make an omelette I don't know how በዛ ላይ ትግስቱ የለኝም so we're just gonna make some scrambled eggs with lots and lots of veggies because we're healthy girlies and boys I guess if there's a boy watching this video we are very inclusive here yeah see what I mean I don't know something's going on is it going on like in a good way or in a bad way I don't know but it's going on yeah still in በልቼ እንዴት ነው ሙሉ I might leave the house በኋላ ለዛ ነው and if I go out I don't want to already ምሳ ሰዓት እየደረሰ ነው አሁን 4 ምናምን ነው 4:10 so you know 9 ሰዓት በኋላ 10 ሰዓት ወጣ this is going to be all I'm eating እስከዛ ድረስ I don't want to buy bread stop it brain no አይምሮዬ ነው ጠላቴ ኮነት ነው ሆዴ ነው ጠላቴ ብሏል ያዘፋኝ ወዶ አይደለም I don't want it to be too well done ጎማ እንዲመስለኝ አልፈልግም so this is it ወጥቼ ዳቦ መገዛ እየመሰለኝ ነው because but no stop being a piggy Oink oink piggy ብሏል. This is from Inton. This is not self-hate. It's from Family Guy. Also, song recommendation, if you guys care. Audrey Hobart, Thirst Trap. And the test. Let me get a spoon, a fork. በአሳዛኝ ሁኔታ ማለት ነው ሹካዎቼ በሙሉ የት እንደሄዱ አላውቅም። ሶ በማንኪያ ነው የምንበላው። 3 ሹካ ነበረኝ፣ አንድ ብቻ ነው ያለው የመታሁበት። It's not clean. Okay. አልጸለይኩም ነበር እና እሱን እስከጸልይ ድረስ እንቁላሌ ድራፍ ቀለሟ ተቀየረ። but it's still probably good, yeah? I mean, salty. But not too salty. I just don't like ጨው. ያን ያህል ተጠቃሚ አይደለሁም so. Good, eat it fresh. I think መልሼ ሞቅ ላድርገው መጥበሻ ላይ because this is not it. Anyways, የዛሬ ኤፒሶድ ይሄን ይመስላል። ምን ተማርን? ጣጣችንን ጨርሰን እንጀምር ምግብ መስራት። ሻይ ጥጃለሁኝ። I'll see you in another episode of Food with Tasu. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And let me know what you ate for breakfast today in the comments below. Mwah! Bye.